a rectangle is 3 times as long as its wide. If its perimeter is 52 centimeters, find its length and width. Now, the fact that the rectangle is 3 times as long as it is wide can be put into mathematical form by letting the shorter side equal to x, because we can then call the longer side 3x because it's 3 times. Now, as the perimeter is given as 52, we can write the equation. We can add all the sides. 3x plus x plus 3x plus x is equal to 52, that is perimeter, which means 8x is equal to 52 and x is 6.5. And remember, this x is width of the rectangle, and the answer will be 19.5 and 6.5. That's the length and the width. Now, putting a problem into mathematical form like this is very useful, and the first step is to decide what can easily be called x. Then we adjust the rest of the given information in terms of x to form the equation, which we can then solve. The question is, 3 consecutive numbers add up to 114. What are they? If we call the first number n, then n plus 1 must be the next number because they are consecutive, and n plus 2 is the third number. Now, it's normal to use n here instead of x if it is a whole number. So, it is given that they add up to 114. So, n plus 1 plus n plus 2 is equal to 114. So, 3n plus 3 is equal to 114 and n is equal to 37. So, the numbers are 37, 38 and 39. Now, here find 2 consecutive odd numbers such that the sum of 5 times the smaller number and twice the greater one is 95. Now, so according to the question, we have 2 consecutive odd numbers, and we know that odd numbers they go up in twos, meaning there is a difference of 2 between any 2 consecutive odd numbers. So, let's say those 2 numbers are n and n plus 2, and the question says that 5 times the first number and twice the second number, if we add them, we get 95. So, multiplying out the brackets gives 5n plus 2n plus 4 is equal to 95. So, 7n plus 4 is 95 and n is equal to 13. Now, this is the smaller number, smaller one. Putting n is equal to 13 into n plus 2 will give us 15. That's the greater number. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.